So kahapon guys, November 19, 2023, Keith Jimenez made his PBA debut Sunday. However, it was cut short by an injury suffered in San Miguel's game against the Meralco Bolts. Okay. Now in this game, nakapaglaro si Keith Jimenez ng a total of 12 minutes and 36 seconds. And nanalo pa rin naman yung San Miguel Beermen team 93 to 83, okay, over the Meralco Bolts. Now for additional information guys, may highlight si Keith Jimenez, yung napakagandang crossover niya. And then pag-drive niya sa basket, pumeke siya. And then mintis yung shot, although nakakuha siya ng foul, and then nakashoot naman siya ng dalawang free throws. So yun yung kauna-unahang puntos ni Keith Jimenez sa PBA career niya. Okay, however, dahil nga dito sa injury na nangyari, hindi na siya nagkaroon ng opportunity para i-extend yung playing time niya. Now, yung takeaway ko dito, sana hindi naman sobrang lala nung injury ni Keith Jimenez para sa mga susunod na laro, magkaroon pa siya ng opportunity to play. I would like to give credit and citation to spin.ph website for this article. PBA SMB rookie Keith Jimenez PBA debut cut short by Cliff Hodge elbow. Okay, so ito yung title ng article, and this is published by Ruben Terrado 15 hours ago.